This is how you're going to change shipping costs on Etsy. So keeping your shipping prices updated ensures you don't lose money on orders. First step, you're going to log into your Etsy account, and then you're going to head over to the shop manager right here at the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, you're just going to head over to the page, or to from the shop manager, you're just going to head over to the left side panel right here, and then from there you'll be able to see the listings right there. Now you're just going to click on listings, and then from this page you're going to choose which listing you want to change the shipping cost of, and then you're going to click on the settings or the gear icon. Now once you head on the gear icon, it's like a drop down menu, and then you're going to have to click on edit. Now from the edit page, which looks like this, you're going to click on the details right here. Now once you're on the details tab, you're just going to look for the delivery options section, and then you're going to hit on edit. Now once you hit on edit, it will take you to this page where you will have to scroll down until you find the what you will charge section. You're going to change it from free delivery to fixed price. Now once you set it to fixed price, then you will be able to set a price that you want for your shipping cost. And that is how you're going to change shipping costs on Etsy. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.